Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Toyota Tundra's maintenance light. First, turn your vehicle's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Make sure your odometer is showing the total mileage, not trip O or trip B. This is a crucial first step. Once confirmed, turn the ignition completely off. This prepares your vehicle for the next sequence of actions, ensuring a smooth reset process for the maintenance reminder. Now let's enter the reset mode. Locate your odometer reset button and press it firmly. While keeping that button pressed, turn your ignition back to the on position. Remember, do not start the engine. Continue holding the reset button for approximately 10 seconds. You'll be looking for a specific visual cue on your dashboard, indicating that the reset sequence has begun successfully. As you hold the button, you should see a series of flashing zeros appear on your odometer display. These flashing zeros are your confirmation that the maintenance light is actively resetting. It's a clear visual signal that the process is underway. Once these zeros disappear from the display, you can then release the odometer reset button. This signifies that the reset procedure is complete for this stage. To finalize and verify the reset, turn your ignition completely off. Then, restart your engine as you normally would. Carefully observe your dashboard to confirm that the maintenance-required light is no longer illuminated. If for any reason the light remains on, simply repeat these 4 steps from the beginning. Sometimes, a second attempt ensures the system fully registers the reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.